Welcome back to the video series. In the first video we got our domain name, and the second video we purchased our hosting with HostGator. Now we're ready to connect our two together. Now if you remember at the end of the last video I said take a note of name server 1 and name server 2, and this will be different depending on the hosting company that you use. If you go with HostGator like we have here, you'll have your own name servers and they normally follow on their sequential. So whatever NS1 is, NS2 will be the next number up. So if this was NS 2020, this would be NS 2021. They normally follow in sequence. What you do is log into Namecheap if you use Namecheap as your domain name registrar, and then you go to My Account, Manage Domains, and then you're looking for the domain that you purchased, and when you find it you then click on it. All your registrant contact information will come up beneath and you can make sure that's correct, and then you want to set up the name servers. And all we do here very simply is we go to Domain Name Server Setup and we choose that option there and click. And usually because of we did it in the purchase process, we use Namecheap's hosting servers. They'll have theirs already in here for you. If you specify custom servers, which is our own, which is what we want to do, we then click the button and we'll be given this blank screen here, and now we just literally highlight each one. So we right click, copy, right click and paste. And then we do the same with the second one. Left mouse, hold it down, highlight, right click and copy. Left mouse, right click and paste. And then we save changes. Namecheap will now tell us that it's been successfully updated. And it will tell us as well, it does say to us it can take up to 24 hours for changes to take effect. And then once they have affected, we'll be able to go to our site and begin uploading any content we choose. Now in our case we're going to upload to its own folder, so in the future videos I'll walk you through how we then transfer the files from our computer up to our website that we've now connected together. And that's simply how you set up your name servers. Thanks for watching.